जसलाई परेको छ त्यसले नै जान्दछ। म यहाँ मेरो दुःख बाँड्नु आएको होइन, उस साथी भन्नु मात्रै हो। भाग्यमा लेखेको मेट्न सकिँदैन, मलाई मेरै हालमा छोडिदिऊ जस्ता ऱ्यान्डमली स्पिकिङ नेपाली सेन्टेन्सेसहरूलाई इङ्ग्लिसमा कसरी भन्ने त? जान्नको लागि यस भिडियोलाई अन्त्यसम्म हेर्नुहोला। बट बिफोर द्याट मेक स्योर टु सब्सक्राइब टु द च्यानल एन्ड टर्न अन द नोटिफिकेसन बेल आइकन टु नेभर मिस एनी अपडेट्स। ओके, लेट्स बिगिन द भिडियो। म प्राय 7 बजे उठ्ने गर्छु। I usually wake up at 7 AM. म बिहानै नुहाउँछु। I take a shower early morning. म ब्रस गर्छु अनि मुख धुन्छु। I brush my teeth and wash my face. तिमी आउँदा मलाई के ल्याइदिन्छौ? What will you bring for me while coming? मलाई परवाह छैन उसले के भन्छ। I don't care that what will he say. तपाईको फोन बजिरहेको छ। Your phone is ringing. आज तपाईँ उसँग भेट्नु सक्नुहुन्छ। You may meet him today. तिम्रो औकात के छ? What is your worth? मुख कुल्ला गर। Rinse your mouth. मैले डिनर बनाउनु सुरु पनि गरेको छुइनँ। I haven't even started making dinner. तपाईले त्यस्तो किन भन्नुभएको? Why did you say so? मेरो हात पोल्यो। My hand got burned. सबै म माथि छोडिदिऊ। Leave everything on me. तपाईले चियामा चिनी हाल्नु बिर्सिनुभयो। You have forgotten to put sugar in tea. मलाई मेरै हालमा छोडिदेऊ। Leave me on my own. तिमीले रुम सफा गर्नु छ। You have to clean the room. तिमी जहिले यही गल्ती गर्छौ। You always make the same mistake. म पनि तिमी भन्दा कम छुइनँ। I'm not inferior to you either. म यो फेरि कहिले गर्दिनँ। I'll never do it again. उसले तिम्रो बारेमा एकदमै नराम्रो भन्यो। He spoke badly of you. आज उसले के गर्नुपर्छ? What will he have to do today? तिम्रो विवाह कहिले भयो? When did you get married? भाग्यमा लेखेको मेट्न सकिँदैन। What is allotted can't be plotted. यो कोरोनासँग लड्ने समय हो। It's time to fight with corona. डाक्टरको काम इलाज गर्नु नै त हो। Doctors are meant to treat. उसले यस्तो गर्नुहुने थिएन। He shouldn't have done it. उसले साह्रै गल्ती गर्यो। He did so wrong. मलाई यही डर थियो। I was dreading this. एउटा असल शिक्षा व्यवस्था हुन अनिवार्य छ। There must be a good education system. यसको बारेमा सोच्दा पनि नसोच। Don't even think about it. खाली म नै किन? Why is it always me? उसले तिमीलाई झुक्क्यायो। He tricked you. ऊ खाली साथी भन्नु मात्रै हो। He is just a so-called friend. He is just a so-called friend. तपाईलाई भेटेर खुसी लाग्यो। It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. मलाई त्यस्तो लाग्दैन। I don't think so. I don't think so. यसलाई आफ्नै घर सम्झिनुहोस्। Take it as your own home. Take it as your own home. आरामले बस्नुहोस्। Please be comfortable. Please be comfortable. उसलाई बचाउने कुनै बाटो छैन। There is no way to protect him. There is no way to protect him. म यसको बदला खाली एउटा चीज माग्छु। I ask only one thing in return. I ask only one thing in return. झुटो खबरको भरोसा नगर्नुहोस्। Don't rely on false news. Don't rely on false news. झुटो वादा गर्नुभन्दा सिधा मनाई गर्नु राम्रो हो। A clear rejection is better than fake promises. A clear rejection is better than fake promises. मलाई थाहा छ यो बुझ्नु कठिन छ। I know it's hard to understand. I know it's hard to understand. यदि तपाईं हिम्मत हार्नु भएन भने सबै कुरा मुमकिन छ। Everything is possible if you never give up. Everything is possible if you never give up. म यहाँ मेरो दुःख बाँड्नु आएको होइन। I didn't come here to share my grief. I didn't come here to share my grief. यो त मेरो शराफत हो। It's my decency. It's my decency. अझ थुप्रै कुरा हुन बाँकी छ। There's a lot left to happen yet. There's a lot left to happen yet. मबाट टाढो जाऊ। Get away from me. Get away from me. मैले यस दिनको लागि धेरै कुरेको छु। I have waited far too long for this day. I have waited far too long for this day. म केही भन्नेवाला थिएँ तर भुली। I was about to tell something but forgot. I was about to tell something but forgot. हामी के कुरा गर्दै थियौँ? What were we talking about? What were we talking about? जसलाई परेको छ त्यसले नै जान्दछ। The one who suffers only that person knows. The one who suffers only that person knows. यदि तपाईलाई केही सहयोग चाहियो भने भन्नुहोला। Let me know if you need any help. Let me know if you need any help. Well, आजको लागि यति नै। भिडियो कस्तो लाग्यो कमेन्ट गरेर भनिदिनु होला। Keep liking my videos and support me by subscribing to the channel because it motivates me to make more videos like this. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.